Hi there, hi guys, welcome back with the second puzzle in today's newspaper of Friday, July the 8th, 2022, almost weekend, yes. And in this additional, we have 7 puzzles. The first one is a letter Sudoku, then we have a 2 stars, the 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudoku. Two tectonics, one with 4 stars, one with 1 star, and we have one binary, and those puzzles I'm not interested. So a total of 7 extra puzzles. Half of them, 4 of them I will solve today, and the first puzzle I have already solved is a 3 stars puzzle. It's time now for the 4 stars Sudoku. It will be number 4821. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 24 printed digits. And for a 4 stars puzzle, I need 30 minutes or more to solve. That's my time limit. Alright, so let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. We have here 4 ones. We have here 1 2. We have here 3 threes. We have here 2 fours. We have here 2 fives, 2 sixes, 3 sevens, 4 eights, and 3 nines. So the ones and the eights are in majority. So let me start with 1. 1 in the first row, 1 in the second row. So the third row, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 1 in this column, 1 in the middle column. So the column next, only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see here 1 in this row, so no 1 there. 1 should be there. 1 in this row, 1 in the row below. So the last row, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see here 1 in this column, so no 1 there. 1 should be here. And now I cannot continue with the 1. How about the 8? How about the 8? Let me see. Can I do something with the 8? No. Interesting. 8. 8. Yeah. 8. No. Need to wait. Then. Let me see. The 9 in the third row. The 9 in the second row. So the first row, only place left for the 9 should be there. 9. No. 7. 1 and a 3. Okay. Let me see. 6. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 missing numbers in this row. 2 of those missing numbers are the 7 and the 6. We have a 7 and a 6 in this big square, so no 7 and a 6 in these 2 boxes. The 7 and 6 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 7 and 6. 7 and 6. So 2 numbers left in this row. For the numbers, the 1, the 2 is missing. The 3 and the 4 is missing. 2 and a 4, 2 and a 4. We have a 4 in the middle column. So no 4 there. 4 should be here. And the 2 goes there. Alright. Okay. 4. 4. 4. Alright. Then. 2. 2. Yeah. 9. 2, 7 should be here. 6, 7 and 6. 7, 6 and the 9 and the 2 and the 9. 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing number is a 7. We have a 7 in this column, so no 7 in these 2 boxes. Here 7 in the second row, so no 7 in those 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 7 should be there. Okay, 7, 7, 7, 7. The 3. We have a pair. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in the third row. 2 of those missing numbers are the 7 and 3. We have a 7 and a 3 in this big square, so no 7 and a 3 in these 3 boxes. The 7 and a 3 goes in these 3 boxes. 7 and a 3, 7 and a 3 in one of those 3 boxes. But we have also a 7 and a 3 in this column, so no 7 and a 3 in that box. The 7 and a 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 7 and a 3, 7 and a 3. Alright. Okay. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 8 and 8. We have an 8 in this row, so no 8 in these 3 boxes. So the 8 could be here, could be there. So we have an 8 in this column, 8 in one of those 2 boxes in the second column. So the third column, the only place left for the 8 should be here. 8 in this column, 8 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here. Or there, we see an 8 in this row. So no 8 there, 8 should be there. 8, 8, 8, 8. No. 8, 8. Cannot continue with the 8. Cannot continue with the 8. But in the last column, last row, we have 4 missing numbers. 2 of those missing numbers are the 9 and the 3. We have a 9 and a 3 in this big square, so no 9 and a 3 in these 2 boxes. 9 and 3 goes in those 2 boxes. As a pair, 9 and 3, 9 and a 3. We have a 3 in this big square, so no 3 there. The 3 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 2 numbers left in the last row. 4 numbers. 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 2 and a 5, 2 and a 5. We have a 2 in the first column, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 5. It goes there. Alright, so we have a 2 in the first column, 2 in the second column, so the third column, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. This box is reserved for the 7 and the 3, so that box should be the 2. Okay. Then. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers. 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 5 and a 9, 5 and a 9. We have a 9 in this column. No 9 there. 9 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 9 in this column. 9 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only place left for the 9 should be there. 1 box left in the middle column for numbers. For the number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. Right, 5, 5, 5, 5. Yes, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 5. We have a 5 in this column. So in the last column, so no 5 in these 2 boxes. Here 5 in this column, so no 5 in that box. Here 5 in the second row, so no 5 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 5. Should be there. 5 in the third row, 5 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see here 5 in the first column, so no 5 there. 5 should be there. Alright. 5, 5. 5, 5. Cannot continue with the 5 now. Alright. Then. Yeah. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 6. We have a 6 in this row, so no 6 in these 2 boxes. So the 6 could be here, could be there. 6 in the third row, 6 in one of those 2 boxes in the second row. So in the first row, the only place left for the 6 should be there. 1 box left in the first row for the number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers. 1, a 2 is missing, and a 3 is missing. 2 and a 3, 2 and a 3. Let me mark those 2 boxes. So we have a 2 in this row. 2 in one of those 2 boxes in the second row. So in the third row, only 2 places left for the 2. Could be here, could be there. Yeah. And here we have 2 missing numbers in this big square. 4 numbers are 1, the 2, the 3. The 4 is missing. 4 and 8. 4 and the 8. Okay. So we have now 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. The 5 and the 6 is... No. We have 3 missing numbers. 6, 7, and the 4 are missing. Well, we have a 4 in this row, 4 in the row above. So in that row, only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in one of those 2 boxes in the second column. So no 4 there, 4 should be here. Okay, 7 and a 3 are left now. 7 and a 3. 7 and a 6 are left in this big square. 7 and a 6. We have a 7 now in the second column. So no 7 there. 7 should be here. And a 6 goes there. 1 box left in this row for number 6. 2 boxes left in this big square. For numbers 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 2 and a 7, 2 and a 7. We have a 7 in this column. No 7 there. 7 should be here, and a 2 goes there. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with a 2. Now we have a 2 in this column, so no 2 there. 2 should be here. Alright. 2, 2. Then, let me see. 2, 3, missing the 6. Yeah, the 6. Okay. Now we have a 7 here. So this box can be 7 anymore. That box should be a 7. And this box should be a 3. 1 box left in this column for number 3. I believe 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. So 2 numbers left here. The 4 and the 8, I believe. 4, 8, and 6. 4, 8, and 6, yes. I marked those 2 boxes earlier with a 6. Now we have a 6 there, so this box can be 6 anymore. That box should be a 6. So now 2 numbers left, the 4 and the 8. 4 and the 8. We have a 4 in this column, so no 4 there. 4 should be here, and 8 goes there. Now we have a 4 there, so this box can be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4, and this box should be an 8. Alright, do we have all the 8s? Yeah. Wait, no. 8 in the last column, 8 in the column next. So in that column, now only 3 places left for the 8 should be here, or there. We see an 8 in this row, no 8 there. Here an 8 in this row, so no 8 there. The only place left for the 8 should be there. And all the 8s are used. I can see digit number 1, number 8. Alright, then. Yeah, 4 in this column, 4 in the column next. So last column, now only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. You see here 4 in this row, so no 4 there. 4 should be here, 4 in this row, 4 in the middle row, so no row above. The only place left for the 4 should be there. And all the 4s are used. I can see digit number 2, number 4. Okay. And now, how about the number, let me see, 6, no, 6, let me see, 7 in this column, 7 in the column next. So last column, no only place left for the 7 should be there. 7 in this row, 7 in the middle row, so the row below, the only place left for the 7 should be there. And all the Sevens are used, I can see. Digit number 3, number 7. 9 in this column, 9 in the third column, so the column be 3 in the second column. Now only 2 places left for the 9, should be here or there. We see here 9 in this row, so no 9 there, 9 should be here. 9 in this row, 9 in the middle row, so the row above, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see here 9 in this column, so no 9 there, 9 should be here. And all the 9s are used, I can see. Digit number 4, number 9, okay. 1 box left in this column for number 1. Yes, 1 is missing. 1 in this row, 1 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only place left for the 1 should be there. And all the 1s are used, I can see. Digit number 5, number 1. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers, 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing, and the 6 is missing. 5 and the 6, 5 and the 6. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 1 box left in this column for the number, the 1, the 2 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers, 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 3 and a 6, 3 and a 6. We have a 3 in this row, so no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 6 goes there. Now we have a 6 there, so this box give me 6 and more. That box should be 6, and this box should be 5. Then 5 in this row, 5 in that row. So the row between the middle row, only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see here 5 in this column, so no 5 there. 5 should be there. 1 box left in this row, the middle row for number 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. Now we have a 3 there, so this box give me 3 and more. That box should be 3. This box should be 2. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers, 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 2 and a 6, 2 and a 6. We have a 2 in this column, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 6 goes there. Finish in 70 minutes. Wow, quicker than the previous Sudoku. Well, I've told you, 24 printed digits, and the previous Sudoku, 25 printed digits. And sometimes you have a lot of pairs, just like the previous Sudoku, or a lot of hidden numbers. So you need more time to solve than one Sudoku with less printed digits. So you cannot always say you need more time for a 4 stars. But is this really a 4 stars? No. Is this a 3 stars then? No. Let me give this a 2 stars. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you later with the other 2 puzzles. A binary and a tectonic are left for you in a minute. Until then, bye-bye for now.